In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed Canva code in GoDaddy website. So first head over to canva.com and open up your design. Then next is click on the share button at the top right, and here click on see all and click on embed. Once again, click on the embed button and here copy this HTML embed code. So simply press the copy button. Now in a new tab, head over to your GoDaddy website and in your design, look for a specific area where you want to add the embed code and click on Add Section. This window will then pop up and here all you have to do is search for HTML and click on it. And once added in the right menu, scroll to Custom Code and here paste the code that you copied from Canva earlier. And instantly your design will be embedded in your GoDaddy website. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!